Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about saving money, investing, getting out of debt. Totally messed my intro up. How do you forget your intro? Oh my goodness. All right, but yeah, you know the spiel. We're all about saving, investing, and getting out of debt so we can live the life we've always dreamed of, because that's what it's all about. Living the life we've always dreamed of. So, been a crazy busy week. Went to a Collective Soul concert last night. Oh man, it was awesome. They were old, but that guy, that lead singer, he came right out the gate just full of energy, and it was a really good concert. So I'm gonna try to do all this in one take because I just it busy. I don't have a lot of time to edit. So all right, here we go. The likes, you guys, 59 likes. That's awesome. So that's going towards the emergency fund, which is at 2033 right now. So that'll put me at 2092. We're going to draw my card here quick, which I'm ill prepared because I just jumped up and to do this stuff. So let's give that a quick shuffle. What do we got going on? We got a 7. What did I say we were at? 2092. So that's 7. Plus an ace, $27. Man. So that's 2099. That's 2019. Or I'm sorry, 2119. So that'll put me at 2119. Man, that's crazy. All right. Now, I don't really have any shout outs set up, but I'm going to do something a little different. We all know that Gina Renee, her husband, was diagnosed with cancer. So she's been doing the buy me a coffee and stuff like that. So we're all trying to help her out where we can. And I'm going to leave a link to her buy me a coffee down in the description below. So if you can, go help her for the price of a cup of coffee. If you can't afford it, just keep her in your prayers, comments, go to her videos, let her know, hey, we're thinking about you. We're sending well wishes your way. That means a whole lot. You don't have to give money. That's just something to go above and beyond. But, at least give her well wishes. Let her know that this community is behind her, because they are. This community is amazingly supportive. So, and then my other shout out, which it's not a YouTube channel, but it is a charitable organization. So, we've been having all these lockdowns. Everybody's been cooped up, but so if y'all want to go do something that is a fun time, I'll leave the link in the description below. But the Coleman Veterans Memorial, they put on a concert every the Sunday before Memorial Day. This year, there'll be some local bands, and the headliner will be Skid Row. So if you want to come to a good concert, if you're in or around the Michigan area, you want to come to a good concert, it's an outside venue. It's usually pretty nice. It's held rain or shine. Coleman Veterans Memorial. I'll leave a link to their description down below. So it's a great cause. It helps out veterans. It helps upkeep the Veterans Memorial in Coleman. It's based off the what do you call it? It's the memorial is in the Schofield base, the 25th Infantry in Hawaii. So this memorial, the lady that did all the statues in the memorial at Schofield, the 25th Infantry base in Schofield, is the same lady that did the statues for this one. But this one's a little different. They've got an actual female combat warrior statue, and there's a combat dog. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's the only memorial in the United States that has a statue that is dedicated to a combat veteran female soldier, not a nurse, not, anything like that, but an actual combat veteran female soldier. So it's pretty good. It's a pretty good memorial. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description down below. Go check it out. Great cause. And like I said, if you guys want to have a good time, that concert lasts about 6, 7, 8 hours. It's like $25 for a ticket. It's a great time. So, all right. The likes on this video, we know the drill. However many likes it can get, that goes to the emergency fund also. I'm not doing any savings challenges this week. My check was kind of low. Everything got walloped around, so you know, I gotta take a step back and I gotta do what's best for me. So I can't be doing any savings challenges this week besides the emergency fund and the card, which I'll put in there. But we're gonna go to my calendar and my expense tracking. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. This is horrible. CR Marvel, we're not even putting anything up there because I didn't work out once this week. I was super busy and I know I should take time to work out, but obviously I didn't. And then my no spends. We got Anna. Look at her. She's just standing there looking all lonely. Why is she looking lonely? Because Monday was the only no spend that I had. One single no spend. Every other day, I had some sort of expenditure. Now, it was, I don't want to say it was an expensive week, but because it wasn't really expensive, I didn't spend a whole lot of money, but I spent money almost every day, like I said, except that Monday. That Monday was the only day. I'm not sure about Friday, but I'm pretty sure Friday I spent some money. So, but all the rest of these, like I said, I'm not doing any savings challenges today, unfortunately, and we don't need to look into my net worth. I'll do that at the end of February. So that's it. I went to a Collective Soul concert. That was awesome. That was so much fun. It was that guy. I came out so much energy. Just a blast. So, all right. That's just going to finish it up. Like I said, I just want to do something real quick. Come on. Be accountable. Next video, probably I need to do a road to 1 million. Update everybody on that. I've got a few things that I'm doing. And, got a little things in the works. See what's going on. Maybe I'll figure something out. I've got to do a couple videos for it. I've been kind of slacking on that one also. So I said that this is my year of intent and I'm going to be intentional, but I have started this year out horrible, honestly. I mean, I have not really been intentional with a lot of my stuff. I kind of started out okay, but I really need to crack down. It's just my year of intent. I need to be more intentional. I need to hold myself a little more accountable. I've been doing stuff, but I need to be more accountable. So I need to be more intentional. I need to be more accountable. And you guys are amazing. I mean, I was just sitting in bed a little bit ago, just watching some YouTube videos, and I was like, maybe I need to get up. I was like, I need to get up and be accountable to everybody. So I want to thank you all for that, because you guys hold me accountable, and that's amazing. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that subs, to everybody that gets on my channel, leaves the comments that says, hey, even though your video sucked, good job, buddy. So, all right. So once again, however many likes this video gets goes to the emergency fund. We're at 21, I believe I said 19 right now. And that emergency fund's looking good. And don't forget, Gina Renee, I'll leave her links down in the description below. If anything, just go tell her, hey, you're in our thoughts, you're in our prayers, send her well wishes. If you can help monetarily, that's awesome too, but please do not feel that you have to just because, I'm just some random jacknut on, YouTube says, hey, go give this person money, but so. And then, like I said, the concert, I'll leave the link to the description to the Coleman Veterans Memorial down in the description box below. And if y'all want a good time, hey, it's a blast. It's it's fun. That's a fun one. And it's a really cheap venue for basically a 6-7 hour concert. So, all right, everybody. Y'all have a good one. Y'all keep hustling. As Josie says, no more sad stuff. Boss up.